In this video, I'll guide you through how to create Google Calendar events on Google Forms submission. By the end, you'll know how to set up a calendar event and connect it to your form so it's easy for people to respond and keep everything organized. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account you use for your forms. This keeps everything in one place and avoids any access issues later. Once Google Calendar loads, look for the Create button, usually in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Create to start setting up a brand new calendar entry. A panel or window will open where you can define all the details of your event. From the options that appear, click on Event. This tells Google Calendar you're creating a standard calendar event rather than something like a task or reminder. Using an event here is important because it lets you manage dates, times, guests, and descriptions all in one place. Next, add a clear and descriptive title for your event. Click into the title field and type something that makes sense for anyone who receives the link or invite, such as registration for workshop or form submission follow-up. A good title helps people instantly recognize what the event is about when they see it on their calendar. Now, select the date and time for your event. Click on the date field and pick the day you want, then adjust the start and end times as needed. If this event is more of a placeholder or an all-day item related to your form, you can also set it as an all-day event. Think about when you want this to appear on your calendar or when you want invitees to be reminded. You can add guests to the event if you want other people to be directly invited through Google Calendar. In the guest section, type in their email addresses. This is optional, but it's useful if you have a team that needs to stay in the loop whenever someone responds via the form or if you're scheduling something that multiple people will attend. In the description box, add any important details about the event. This is also a great place to give context about the form, such as what it's for, any instructions or notes you might need later. You'll soon be adding your Google Forms link here, so leave a bit of space or a short label like form link to keep things tidy. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Forms. Again, make sure you're using the same account. Once Forms loads, navigate or redirect to the specific form you want to connect with this calendar event. This could be a registration form, a feedback form, or anything else that ties into your event. At the top right of the form editor, look for the button that lets you copy the responder link, often labeled with a send or link icon. Click on that option to open the sharing dialog, then choose the option to copy the link. This gives you the URL that people will use to access your form. After you click copy and the form link is saved to your clipboard, go back to your Google Calendar tab. In the event description area, paste the link you just copied. You can place it on its own line to keep it visible and easy to click. Finally, click Save to create your event. Your calendar event is now set up, complete with a direct link to your Google form, making it simple for you and your guests to submit responses right from the calendar details.